Hello, students. I'm just going to show you a very quick tutorial on how to do two trend lines in a single dataset. So this is an example of a dataset similar to the ones you're going to get from your experiment on colligative properties. So it's a graph relating time and temperature. If we insert a scatter plot, it will look something like this. But you see that we are trying to measure the intercept between these two sections, between the cooling section and the freezing section. So in order to be able to do that, to have two trend lines for two different parts of the same datasets, we need to split them up. So it's very simple. You just select data here, and we are going to create two sections or two series. So add a series. And here, let's name it cooling part. And the x values, let's take maybe from 5 degrees Celsius to, let's say, -3. So that would be from here to here. So x values in the first part, let's say here, and y values, so it would be from 6 to 13, right? So from 6 to 13. Then click OK. There you have a cooling part. Now let's add the freezing point. This one is, let's say, from when the temperature gets stable, so around data point 17. So let's add here. This is a freezing part. And the x values, let's say from 16 to 23. In y values, 16 to 23. Okay. Now we have the two sections. Let's remove the temperature part. Okay. Now we have the two. Now to draw two trend lines in the graph, you just select one of the two data sets, and as normal, add a trend line. More options here. Display equation, chart, display R squared. Here is the trend line for the first part, the cooling part. Now let's select the freezing part. Again, trend line, more options. Display equation on chart, and display the R squared. So now we have these two equations. Let's extend the forecasting. So to extend the forecasting of a particular regression, we go here. And then I guess first you have to select the trend line. And here it says forecast. So let's forecast a few units, let's say 100 units. You see how the trend line extends backwards. And now we can see the intercept between the two equations. And that's how you do it. The rest of the formatting you can use as a reference my previous video, and hope you do well on your report.